Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tactim channel. Hope you guys are having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you change image duration in Premiere Pro. So guys, to change image duration in Premiere Pro, at first let's just select the images. From here, as you can see, there are some images here. I'm gonna select. After selecting the image, just click on open and select all the image from here to here. Here, as you can see, all the image timeline is about 4.5 seconds here. As you can see, to make it like 2 seconds, you need to select all of these. So left click from your mouse and like this, select this, and right click from the clip. Here you can see image speed duration. Click on speed duration, and here you can see the duration is here. You can just make the duration like 2 seconds. And click on OK. Now you can just delete the gap between the images. Like this. Now here you can see the whole image is about now 8 seconds. You can see. So guys, that's how you can change image duration in Premiere Pro. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tactim channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.